Kisii FM 94.1 enka y'omogusii. Bono nabo gotonyora online ase channel yaito ya YouTube nabo igoi fan page ya Facebook ase FM 94.1 ase togo kobekera emeyega yao eye. Kisii FM YouTube nabo igoi fan page ya Facebook ase Kisii FM 94.1 ase togo kobekera emeyega yao eyemo ase eyemo emeyege yunga monechi nyangi amatanga emesangerikano yege siasa emeyega ya graduation neyende menge inyora go subscribe nabo igo go share guchia saba minu una botambe inkaninka Kisii FM nero enka y'omogusii.
Alright, abara kabisa idega chia butugire na 25 ure chinsa ibire chia bono mambe chinsa chia Afrika ya mocha ene nkayo mogusii Kisii FM mwancho motegera na kolire iraga igase studio litkolera no yokoligie kero kyo wa MCA ase award ya Masimba no mosao moke sana igakoro kwa boss Mairura ngochera ko tebinga elieteli ndia gatatondire lirikera ngo gwakumuruka BBM BMM tali BBM Buchera ko tabia yonsi asenjero yogo ikranu lakini gakoligie kero kyo wa MCA ase ward ya Masimba yego toka ime constituency ya Nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii wetera etigiti ya UDA mwacho modeli asenye njebiro atiga mwarega ni gase studio na tuchake chinkwana nere ya Masemo. Karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Thank you Dodos.
Litangani kara kwani motegereri kara kwani motegereri bwe ward ya Masimba kwanza naba gusina boko bakwani kwa jumla tumegochaka chinkwana ya Masea
yangu ani minto abagusiba minto bonsi pia zemwabeta abategeri enka y'omogusii Kisii FM na nene mono aba Masimba bonsi piba ba minto na bakwani maiga mangisa.
All right. Na bora sukie maiki ya obu yegoro elinde na lyo bakonyora buyenge nchenga bune iyo okwana kabisa na lyo gotogonya bantu bako igono okwana.
Okay.
Asante sana. Mheshimiwa bwana ayego kuligie kero kyo ba MCA ase ward ya Masimba.
True.
Litangani tigato chake nga oratomanyia nga aye omusingi onoro lyo. Yaro torando bakora minyoki uga iga bandi batabigumba bwati certificate abandi batabigumba bwati wapi ekara twango magono omwenge abantu bamanyango yo le studio noro lyo nero kuligie kero kyo ward ya Masimba kyo wa MCA.
Boss Mairura asamangana ya masomo ni somete. I have a bachelor's degree kulu Laikipia University and I call it a bachelor's of education as an alinge student leader.
Yes.
Vindu vya neto koligi bikobore no tole mitandao na alinge secretary general of the student union.
Yes.
Elected by students. Igo naruka kuruma yesinso metembe primary metembe secondary Kisii high school.
Yes.
Ngamano kandaga ula Laikipia University.
Wana ene alumna ya Kisii high school.
Tingore tio butakambu andu setio. I have to be very free. Metembe ngore. Lakini injena nyore time yogo soma Kisii school.
You know so the Kisii school asa lenge with for fara nya with James Ongwae gati ya
maraga maraga justice maraga.
Inga gerenga na iko na bora masako kwa simba da chichi kwa mora yuna mara.
Ndo chia wa.
Asante sana mwanjo motegere yakoro kwa boss Mairura nero kuligie kero kyo wa MCA ase ward ya Masimba. Bwana kero kende kero kuligie ward ya Masimba. Neye moyi chigwadi chigotoka se constituency ya Nyaribari Masaba se county ya Kisii. Na ende nero ward ya Masimba nengati yichigwadi chiria mayana abantu babere bakorara ramikake korengana na bali abakora akajisimi no nyango cha se studio wigaiga. Ayebone kerenge kenegi gutaka kwa mo MCA Masimba ngeke.
Imbwate ebirenga 10. Ndeta okora abantu ba minto abantu bane ba Masimba, let me call them like that. Nande na abarokiri.
Yes.
Siasi endu atena te tali omuntu boka. Uikoroki ro no mwana ataratara
Yes.
uikara agura aria Masimba ntubwate chibara chikuru kwa count roads so tugoroka and was feeder roads
yes
ine karengeria kemo muna baise konga chinguru tubachigure chibara echo abangi na baito kera bakwende chiro abamama baito chianti cheito baba baito banyaruka baminto banyore bara isgero wakenduti igoro togotereria gose togotwoka no gwakwama
yes
waikana ande kwira ne tabari na mbende ntubwate chichiro chiro ya Ramasha chiro ya Masimba chigane iriko kobekwe standard eriga neiri abantu baito kera bakoni mbagotwirwa mbakonerie bara igoro ina mangana yechichiro na ande batwara ubura buororo mangana street lights so that the security is very important
yes
na mbende chinyagitari Masimba ari ntubate Masimba nyagitari ya Masimba etabwati ya Marioge etabwati ya banyagitari restack abantu banzi baganda bakurwari bo bateguna urwari turirwa mabere so we will make sure nyagitari ya very improved at least ndo twara banyagitari no mbatato ne chinasi chisaine chikokora abantu baitegas because ine gasi mu MCA according to the law na ine gasi ya county government we improve amangana health it's a devolved function amangana ande ndo rengeri binene amangana ya match chomo nyene dudu sina getwikira match kuruche lakini chindo chechi chitayo I've done some springs na mira abantu bitu chinsoko inke chinto improve kara barange chingutu tware chinyinge ande nalikana because in Gusii county we will fight tonyora at least gesima ekemokera as a location chirimbo ata isato
yes
because and ndegya to make naza mangana graffiti nge supply match kuchia sabanta bange sabantu bando babucha match for free we can pay for them mangana yogo pump nusuno lyo kolenda ntorana torakora arrangement ngende na match ya ararimu
yes
amangana nde chiki baser which I've never seen abantu Masimba bakonyora mangana county baser mugabano wocha tiye bange bosi ko kumusuguma sana nanyasara gombe ko mu MCA county basari abantu baito tubwato butakobonene abana bari mbaga ni konyo basari equally otari kurigera una no bitajira no ibumutaka mono bali abataka batari kwenyara bottom up faraewa basari faraewe basari nari bara some buya ebirengere byane ikomi ebine yimu byabo amone binke binde birimbange tokora abantu baito Masimba
Mheshimiwa boss kwa rure birengere byao nekirenga yo chikoba mu MCA segodi ya Masimba asibinde byose kwigwa kwanire gesa devolution yechaka n'igitamu myaka ni komi bone koera na kuko tebanga ba MCA babeira segodi ya Masimba mbarakora binterview
egasiye yo kubeka maxine y'abananchi inche bona nje no ndera tiri
no nayo metho nayo no momenyi gwodi ya Masimba
it's okay I've always told you this sidudus onyo mu MCA gose oyo rumurayi ga kole gasiri ganeri you will not see me vying tingo bolikura ingo liye kerogege because ndo jena there is a vacuum there is need
yencherende lichibwo ko ngandiringa mirime itera koreka
anje tinarora that's what I'm saying na what I can't have ego actually what I'm trying to say we need uburai kwigwekana uburai umuntu agofiri na umuntu nara ntochore to umuntu that's what I'm saying
boss ayegole kema kya UDA
kabisa ndani
ngobwigenete asamangana bottom up economic model
kabisa
ngakibono economic ngaki bottom up economic model iko chikokole mirima segodi ya Masimba
mangana bottom up as what the Masimba are very simple you know we are in a county to gather a lot of resources lakini butakaburigo so we are trying to say na to fight the abantu baito babe empowered
all right
if you have empowered the abantu kwabaru city as bari against in terms of finance in terms of ability to do things on their own
yes
they are doing things on their own you have uplifted them. We want to uplift people's lives. That's what we are saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bona kero gwatabire na bottom up economic model nero bwigene teguchigo tumeka ase godi ya Masimba kero kende kwa ene kinga omomenyi bwe godi genere nkonyora ligento akogokera. Kero kende kero murayi akoyugo burayi abantu nkubori barenga kero kende ikiorokere kia yenkere kia ara akolire kitororenga rende kera buchigo sobora yobo ntomwegene.
Na bojigo 2017.
Yes.
Ngaira na geti 2018 immediately after the repeat election ya presidential korokia abandu na I'm ready for the task gochakera bono paka mirere kana ruenze yiga. We have been doing bursaries, BMM fund bursary kit asa abantu bali bakonyora max 350 and above na bakora shopping bagenda G secondary school which I've said na ingo ile chikura I will now be giving bali bakonyora 300 and above bonsi p award ngima. That is known abantu baitomba nemba maitwa mazima. That's something I've done. Amangano yo support abantu baitu bakonda G college. I've supported a lot of students bakonda G college. Amangano yo ko ba abantu baitasu congregation monene. I've done fundraisings in all my churches regardless of the denomination, Catholic, PHE, SDA, whatever, so long as it's the work of God.
Yes.
Amangano yo kuigora bakajibara. I have done ebara yaringe mbe koruria michokia jikokolera umubaga. I have done chindoche, I have done jidaraja ejinde na mention iraje gutambuka Masimbere magarinya gitari abantu bari kuguroche edaraja ra yanyantikari uri abantu bari kuguroche and many more. We have done something that can show people now we have the ability and we are ready for the task.
All right. Umushimwa pozi kwa kwande bintu biri kwanya reko bakokora bikebike ekero tara uchinguru no mwananchi.
Yeah.
Bono igekero tene wodi ya Masimba. Talia yebwe kole candidates na bange bakora igekero kyo boy MCA
14.
Yes. Asabanta ba 14 ningiye ko era boss mayura yoro chinga you the best na yoro atiko igekero kyo boy MCA se wodi ya Masimba.
No, you know, one toriga tena nayo uchikubwa. Lakini amuya to win.
Yes,
I have only one option.
Yes.
And it must remain one. To win. And to win big. Here is the reason why.
Right.
It's a track record. Nakina hata ya turi koli nyama, turi koli riugo utarata kune nyama. Wigora bebo gotakuna nyama, umano utakuna riuga. In other words, what I'm saying, again they kekere simpa. Abana inji ba Masimba bari gereria sabantu 14. Ningoyo uteta atokorere gasi na nenererie atokoreire. It's that simple. Tell you rocket science. It's that simple. My work is in the public domain.
Almost kebos maro network ya ngakire ayo Kenya.
A network in terms of business, in terms of politics, or what?
In terms of politics and maybe business wise.
A network ya nozembie.
Na kiwara ngakire network ya okay, let's deto kwa mangana politics. Network ya ngakire politically.
Political, I'm networked well. I am a close friend to the next president of the Republic of Kenya.
The next
I go say William Ruto. The next president. You know, Raila Odinga, I didn't want to discuss because he's not my competitor. But now, because that's the one to compete in what I talk or again the same way, the same manner all the time and expect different results. Right, I agree. I don't know whether go to president. Kuruanga to go mbona ajo kwera gaiji kongera. Eka to ko track record almost koito William Ruto. Na wano wale I think muamoroche. And go char next week probably. Because each constituency njiro tutakunete. He has tried. Kokonya abantu baito bibiasara kokonya bamura baito bagotweruga igabara chiboda boda chikanisa Ruto changire bunega neiri ranyi tari kubwati mipaka.
Very good.
Yeah.
Whatever the network ya ombi yere politically mumanya ne deputy president wense ya Kenya William Ruto oyubu atebune presidential candidate which go support asobo choryo wonebu mwako yo 9 mwezi wa 8 karokende deputy president nki akorera se ward ya Masimba wetera boss Mairo.
Very good, that's a good one. Deputy President here last year, courtesy of my call, aka-empower abang na baitu bari bakoni chichiro. Bari bakoni kuna mama mboga. Actually we did bakoni amabere. Anybody okumuka mambio nde chiro. Okora kabiasara kai. Where we empowered abantu 684. I have the list. It was in the public domain. We did it openly. Akanyona mrawa boda akaba support ya sari kunyara. He has done that. So that is significant.
Is that enough?
You asked me according. So we cannot say what he has done in camera. We can only say what he has done in public.
Asante sana mwacho mwadhero yakuru kwa boss Matara Mairura BMM
boss Mairura Matara
yeah asogwe marieta yabere na yeke Gusii gochimoina na nawe mbere bagukurekana bura nakurekanire bakoroka boss Matara Mairura kore boss Mairura Matara
good yeah.
So Matara nerengo
sokoro
okay asante sana onero kurigikira gukyo wa MCA segodi ya Masimba. By the way ngotebekanere nga kero kende ekero chia bisi chia UDA chia kwigorwa segodi ya Masimba muchando no togetaro twarore chia bisi kwigorwa asichinsemo au se chigodi au imeyense ya Kenya go constituency ya Nyaribari Masaba kieko rekero mwari kwigora bisi ya UDA Masimba muchando rekane to
goza abango baeta ese idea te fear me
oyo kwa waza niko
azimio azimio azimia one goza azimia abango baeta
ngakibona bawo kwa
why are they fighting that opening an office yeah opening an office is not an issue
okay
no bad mtabazigari
igwazimio nere gwate serikali wasigari
No, but we don't want to discuss that because that was long time ago.
No, but it is no okera se amangana politics ya Masimba.
No moment no okera. What I'm saying.
No manyeta amangana politics ya Masimba na ikere ndigina ikerenge.
Okay, let me ask you.
Yes.
You diengo ndumere alinga basigari. Ingwe gora obisi yao.
That is the reason as to why na kubodi na ki obviously aliko ne ya UDA.
Yeah.
So UDA njare ko yepinga for one.
Yeah.
Ngina bodi na ki inki yare go pingiro mo chando rakana ndorori. E procedure tabu gate tiwo. Osengi kiabete.
There is no procedure yo kuigora obisi. There is no procedure. I think what that was a political winchant. They feared that I'm bringing UDA in Nyaribari. And as we are speaking today, Nyaribari Masaba constituency, specifically as Nkuru Seito, Nyaribari Masaba, it is 75% UDA. You wait.
75.
Wait and see.
Percent?
UDA. Wait and see. Masimba Herrera 100%.
Ngakiokore ngai.
And we talk with the people. I meet people day. Like now I'm going Kenyoro, go meeting them not less than 6,000. As we are what they say, you know, we listen to them.
Ngwate banga kwara beri gukubugwa obachori bonkwa boleti back 2017.
Yeah.
Na endeno gwate kirenga bono kioko bageti kabisa tarehe 9 na singencho karo kindi uchiwake ruchikura. Torengenga kero kwa bwetu gentongere kiagere tokabugwa. Kento kiagere tokabugwa
2017 actually na boleti na temete. It was an experiment here. I tried kumanya wasoma ngana na rona kiarenga bikukuru. Amacha itali chechengo sambara abo is even advice number 2000 na macha siasa na marungo sambare sana. Jena yete 2017 proper. Iki kiagere to one we had not understood a word bia to manye network. We now have a network word. To understand even image and yonsi pia wantu itu wawetera.
Yes.
I've met, actually I can say without fear of contradiction, I've met as it was on the Masimba population of almost 40,000. I've met about almost 38,000. I can say without fear. Now maybe that I meet in Baliba Menyetesco, but they know me, so we understand. Yeah, can you already understand? And some people, let me say this, I didn't have to say, but on the one that they were perceiving me now or no one. You know that I finished my university in 2015. So 2017 I was in the battle, so they were saying no mwana. And so many propaganda fighting the young people. I was fought left, right, center.
Yes.
Yeah.
Igobona borochenga okomi kukolinko yu.
No ngoyo, you know, nakinata boneka si ukwana. Aigo tole amatem. Kero monto our Biblia Nehemiah 5:19. Then the leadership for the people and by the people.
Asomo wekano. Modorano dede kumanyanga ine boss Mairura Matara na understand the word ya Masimba. Word ya Masimba chi location ile ngebwa.
Sato. Yeah, sub location 11. What attention
nata kitokwa na marieta yechi location.
Ndo wate Enchoro location, Ramasha location na North Masawa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bono ekero chikora. Igora chigotumeka location level or sub location.
What we are umete word you want a word administrative
No ekero nabo lintaraga ndasamagana administration enataka kubage ward ya Masimba kero kende tonyole chikona inye chigodi ya Masimba tumanye nga kyura chikora igora chigutumeka abarayi bali ura chigochora bakoba assess location gosene location
we got your based on a location. Ndio kwa any sub location sorry. Ndio kwa your information yons.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's the smallest administrative unit of what ne sub location.
Yokolengana no burayi bwao igora chikubo chakera samagana a sub location.
Yeah, we shall have committees from every sub location to advise on what is going on.
Right.
As ebinyoro. Bieto. Yeah.
Kotebekanire nga omoske boss ekero chitikiti cha UDA cha ngorwewa wasio kumbwaro rekanete.
Kaibu alengaro mbu alengazi
chitikiti cha rutu kolengana
uno romo kongwangani to mangana itagobora ogwara kwe tiketi kulingana uno romo kongwangani
iyo formula kia tumegete ko baje tikiti cha UDA.
You know chama ya UDA is a national party which has a presidential candidate. Tana ne chama ya chache yotu. They want people who can deliver for themselves.
Okay.
And they deliver for the president. Ruta abwate intelligence, you'll be shocked. Ruta amaete your mother. Naero kumuligere message omote naga say toga Masimba omonto tutagete inyagete.
How logic is that?
I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth.
Igoko kwa tu tikiti ya UDA talia sengencho kerokende nga kwa takire kwa yego na sengencho kwa bote chingu.
I was given a ticket one, main reason because I deserved it. That's number one.
Na watakire kwa yego.
I deserved it. That is the statement. Number two, the party did its own intelligence. Ikamanya who is who. Number three, we did an interview. I scored 98 out of 100.
So others failed.
Others, I don't know why. Basically, if you are not given it, means you are failed because a party never that provision in one of the methodology. We go to me, I got nomination. Yeah, party. It's through interview. It's in the constitution of UDA. You can check. Or they go to universal suffrage or another method. We go to me. To me opinion poll. Even they underline as the party may decide.
Yes.
To do its own nomination. So me, I did an interview. I even put it on my social media.
Yes.
We were called, we were interviewed, and I got a message, good news. You passed excellently.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ntubwate abasaye. Tubwate abasaye abo kero kenda ndi bagutumeka samagana ya siasa sana.
Yeah.
Nkibegete kabati wiyiga orachiko basokeria abasaye babene sector ya bodaboda mbaro basaye bagwa kama toboli abande mbaro babwate chi project yabo nkikuwa bekire in place asinge yo chiwakwanya basaye.
I want this to come out clearly and louder. Njume tuno musaye.
Yes.
I understand the best challenges to wait. Abasaye baitumbari bago soma bakonyora opportunity yokogenda a university or a college. That's why government here activity. I will fight Nyandusi Nyandusi Polytechnic ever equipped we are. That is my role. Elinda bana baito which I have promised I will pay for all of them.
Yes.
Jiwakano baenda basomera masonry amangana welding amangana carpentry amangana wasona chianka baegere through my kit igomba wasako baido aba boda I have done a circle for them. I have registered a circle which I promised them I will be the first person kubabekere ni boime erinde na baroba beke abo savings bakobeka so that they can even start their own business besides wakora mangana aboda aba bande bakwanda chi university chi college bakora dudus. I have said this and I want to repeat this with my network. We shall fight naba nyola internship so that baba skilled before batranyora chigas. We will fight for employment opportunities using that network watobori because we have a good one. Elinde banyore chigas betenenere. Amangana yebiasara the government, the next government as a kitty for SMEs.
Yes. With
my network, I will fight tirelessly. Banyore empowerment through that SMEs. Elinde ba improve biasara biao. I have a very good plan for the youths.
Alright.
Yeah.
Asante sana. Kero kende mbale bagate bange egwodi ya Masimba bantu mbale bara bataka batari kwenyara abandi bintu buna NHIF bari konyara umuntu akurware se familia no yenya gitari zanyara gushurikira ubuya singe kero kende yogotenyara. What do you have for them?
That being a national government function, NHIF, inigazi ya umuchumbo gani go fight, but itiniko siya kama iso.
Naye liso egwodi ya Masimba.
Fine.
In case ochoru.
Thank you. Like now, a good example, I motivated my border guys. Waka so NHIF, nkalenda bantu bana NHIF, waka register gari Masimba. We are saying this as Kenya Kwanza. Abantu bali bataka. Kuboni gabako kana zingi 500 na inje na kana 500 monthly. The government has said it will give that fee to 300 shillings per person. No yo tabwa atipi. Serikali ya ito ya Kenya Kwanza will be paying for them. That's very good news. Mujando kaya mutua.
That is why moja ya serikali.
That's what we're going to.
Suppose kwa hilo wa MCA.
Yes.
Serikali ya UDA teyo igorali. Ne azimio la umoja ero. Ne county ya Kisii onyorenga azimio ero. Aye gole UDA. Na kira ko bere rais yanga.
Ndio onzabera wewe. You know.
I don't MCA UDA.
You know siasa.
Yes.
I don't come in with my government. I come in with the incoming government. We work together. There is a way to create synergy and work together. There is always a way.
Iratokanga serikali ko sote bwati morobeli uyu bwati.
Those are things you need as an investor, and in my blueprint I've said proper representation for my people. Those are things I should be tabling.
Asante sana. Umongona nare ga kurwa egwodi ya Masimba kwa Gilbert Munyancha. Abate banga mbako ganyete sana.
Nashukuru.
They are wishing you all the best.
Nashukuru.
Tima tinga jida ga chia tigaire ga actually de ga chitigare tai ga isano. Ngo sento buga te simia moi ga ibere 0796988630 and 0706181822. Kera tokenga kwa nyoro libaga esimia eso kero boss mairora kono gukora basi nabotora kuiraniria. Meanwhile tima tinga ko tebyo momenyo Masimba kero to gukorera just in case simikera asoe naboto gukwana Kenya teyo
aba menyo Masimba ndete ko bataina asugwanja bangeli bageri 39 tigabaje basokia sobonge. I want to win with 6,000 to 7,000 votes.
Yes,
because I'm making a political statement on that date. Na ndemba tebi posi obamanyete.
yes,
Ta ko let down. Nimba ko remerememia egento kende na tebe ujia soma menyo Masimba. Etaye ya nabatete woki. Waipepete mpaka nifike State House one time.
Sisemi kitu tumedio sesi minera iga tiga totemo sento bugate moiga kuruga ungo boriri boriri moelio tumanya go sieki gerede kando yo tubugate ga chia tigere isato chioka tumedio sesi miga 0706181822 toro sento bugate ya moiga tuone kama itakubali. Keresi miindo chengate.
Ayo murari wagire.
Hello? Biamono sana ngoy. Doko igwete ko?
Ayo wagire murari.
Mono ngoyo.
Yakuru omo tini wana mbiyore.
Aha.
Yakuru kumungo kamukama harabo zabatere.
Aha.
Na hizo tini wonyena mo support motenya inde genta kwande byanga serikali ya ari taireti na aba kwa kawasema sara tene tazine na mudura kwa na yasana.
Aha.
Ina mo support bigo tigabantu Masimba ari bamore yamoro muri kamukama harunya batere bono.
Okay. Asante sana. Asante sana. Wadanga engenje ikwe bacha ngambuya tunategemea serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yoka wadanga ngambuya
You work with the government of the day.
yes acha tuchukue moja enkayo mugusii
Okay, Stefan.
yes ngoyo
Like you work here in studio.
wokieto bia sana
No mutoro nyasinga. Kwa
Tonya ni Masimba. Hello. Mungwano yunga tenga ya mbuto keire. Mojo koro nyasinga ka tenga Masimba yanga na bacho ko swali lya.
Hello.
Hello.
Estado.
Biamono sana ngoyo.
Wakile kwa watu tajiri mbora.
Biamono.
Nepatu nje yanataka kwa mtu hiyo kwa na mangana alama. Yoma tatika.
Aha.
Naye? Kemu ntoma tena kwa tebire bia ye kunga no ibona ye tebire bia ye ose no ko ya maya. Nale kwa tebira.
Yes.
Ya sai tiga mo ko nje na mo ga maya. Ya kaya mo ko nye kuminga na ajia kwa ni na ndanye kemu ma teki ya nje ngane go ya nje. Nale ne babu jibali mtisi. Baba
asante sana tajiri. Ngade tetora rabekire break yabo. Kero kende batabire ngo kolimi kisini. Mosa kolimia. Wano mayete muigorete chigali birore ngo chamure. Mo wake rujikura mo go county assembly bira negoro. Batabire muira niyo.
Good.
Aba batabire nga mo se koira ni kero kende timanye tinga kwegena kyomo menyu masimbara kwegena.
Also embosi bamaite you know.
Kiagera abara ibonsi pibago chorwa boss muske na babago kwana no gukwana igo. Na kigusoma menyu masimbara igene nga boss yo gukwano ito era dali gukikoba buna abande kera barorira abande na bakoba.
Dudus umuntu arekiare. Tari ntebeiga. By the way, I want to say this. Umuntu ojenga kiechikura.
Yes.
Uina barigo. Nande gakwe chikura. Nande akogenda ajiga kiechiku.
Echikura.
Hakina akoera ziropeni nande ngirore. Nche nabe nabantu abakuru 2017 December. After the repeat presidential election yabete.
Yes.
Na nange duwengije abantu baminto. Nande nchera teyo. Ngocha konyore kirogo njenchi. I think wono ngocha kumumya mono. Kubwa bunanda boni.
Ngati bara manye go.
Usemba amanyete. You know one, njeno mukristo I believe in God, I don't lie.
Okay.
I work openly. I'm very transparent. I'm a very transparent person.
Okay.
Timbu ya tibo ambao chiga kando. Yeah. Nitayo kwegu nata na ninyi wete pepetu baga ka one time mbe president yenze. Wano njensa rinza igono ni mbwato bango igoroga. Mwago.
Omwishimiwa boss la grembi ya morosana zinge joka yali bakukwa na Kisii FM.
Thank you.
Bia morosana zinge joko kwa ndera bantu bamasimba hope bakubwatire buya. Timadingo moroli bata tikulia lero norolio ngwata bango ya nole kenyoro.
Lero Friday abaguzintu ajete most tukabeka matanga. Nimbwata matanga kenyore mborogo nimbwata matanga ibanchore nimbwata matanga na bonyakoni.
Yes.
So lero nibiroro tujikoresia abantu baminto basiririe abasani babo basiria abantu babo. I'm in the village to console with my people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tuwakolire biamono sana naro kubolinga ngosiole.
Oine chachale mutige.
No.
And that was the problem. If it is there we eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asante. Biamono sana muske boss asinge joko jali bago ja Kisii FM. Hope ngane ndokerora jale chingaki. No ichega igekera inkaninka naga ninka nenkane yo mugusine yamere nchiribere na Kisii FM. I think ekero toranyole chingaki no ichega igasenge njokero kende na ndiyo gosange birengere nabantu ba Masimba kegera bochori ngange bole tare 9 mwezi wa 8.
I'm very ready and time bro.
Tunakutakia mema.
Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Wacho motegera lime studio tulengenere boss Mairura Matara uyo kulige kero kyo MCA ward ya Masimba me constituency ya Nyali bali Masabe county ya Kisii na wikira bana otokora chingwa na chitiri tkolia rero wikibiro binde wakirimbye mono sana gendera gotegera Kisii FM magana maya na ragocha sinjira yo wikira nuye chinsa isato chebona mambi cheze mbali.
Kisii FM 94.1 enka y'omogusii. Bono nabo gotonyora online ase channel yaito ya YouTube nabo igoi fan page ya Facebook ase Kisii FM 94.1. Ase togo kobekera emeyega yao eyemo ase eyemo. Emeyege yuonga ne chinyangi amatanga emesangerikano yege siasa emeyega ya graduation ne yende mengi. Inyora go subscribe nabo igo go share guchia saba mino. Una botambe inkaninka Kisii FM nero enka y'omogusii.